31, taken a note against. That's really a very good strategy to use for a lot of people that want to do a 1031 but don't want to utilize their funds. They can actually put a note again. That's a really good strategy to put into.
It never occurred to me because I've always been the up leg. 90% of the time I've been the up leg to a 1031 because I'm fixing up these buildings that most of my guys didn't want to do a 1031. They want the cash and buy another building. And they didn't really want to take the time and the energy to do a 1031, so they paid the taxes. Well, most of them had enough real estate, they didn't pay the taxes. So it didn't bother them. But I was usually the up leg because, we sold like 30 some of these properties and almost everybody exchanged into them.
Yeah, that's a very, very interesting concept.
Yeah, I was really surprised by it because I hadn't even considered that.
No.
And a lot of the guys there wanted to do that, to use their equity. But some of them had some very large equity. And they're just thinking of a way to not sell the property.
That's what they still have the asset, it's still building, and they've got a note against it. Why wouldn't they do that?
Right, yeah.
That makes so much sense.
Yeah, and so they would use that as equity or 10.